Hey guys, in this video, I will give you a complete roadmap to start your English speaking journey. I will break this roadmap into 4 steps, and every step plays a pretty vital role. So make sure you watch the video till the end so that you could understand every step accurately. So let's start with the first step. So our first step is stop focusing too much on grammar. Just understand what happens when you focus on grammar. When you focus too much on grammar, you feel lost, you feel confused. Why? Because you are too much conscious about your mistakes, what mistakes you are making, how people are understanding you. You always think that whether you are speaking properly or you are making grammatical errors. These kind of things will run inside your mind when you focus too much on grammar. And guys, there is nowhere written that you need to learn perfect grammar to improve your English, to start your English speaking journey. No, there is nothing like that. You can start without learning grammar as well. It is true, you will make mistakes, you will definitely, but it doesn't matter because every learner makes mistake. You're not a new guy who doesn't make mistake. I also made many mistakes while learning English, but it doesn't pull you down. In fact, it will improve your English over time when you completely immerse yourself in speaking. And when you make mistakes, it means you're learning something. When you learn something, you will definitely make mistakes, so it is not a new thing. Everybody makes mistake, and when people make mistakes, it means they are learning something. When they learn something, over time it will be improved inherently, so you don't need to be too much worried about this. Just keep practicing and make mistakes, make a lot of mistakes, because it is inevitable, nobody can stop it. So in this step, I have told you, don't focus too much on grammar. Our next step is also very important, which is watching everything in English. Watch every content in English. Whatever you watch, be it serial, be it movies, web series, if you watch any comedy videos on YouTube, anything, whatever you watch, watch just in English. We are not underestimating our native language here. Otherwise, there are some people who always says, and many people also discussed this thing with me, that why are you learning English? You must be proud of your native language. I feel proud of my native language, but this is the need of era. If you don't know English, you will not get job, you will be thrown from the company. A lot of obstacles you will have to face. So here we are not underestimating our native language, but we have to go further. We have to think intellectually, we have to think rationally, and we should move according to the era, which is very important. I mean, English is very important in this era. So that's why I'm telling you, if you really want to improve your English, just watch everything in English. When you watch everything in English, your brain will start wiring in English, and you will start gradually understanding. In the beginning it will be hard if you are a beginner, but you will definitely start understanding everything once you start consuming English content, because our brain is very sharp, it is very intelligent, it will understand everything when you keep focus on one thing again and again, again and again. That's what our brain does. The only thing you need to do is just make yourself accustomed to watch English related content. That's it. Our third step is start thinking in English. I know it's a bit tricky in the beginning. It takes a lot of efforts to a new learner, because thinking in English often people feel very hard. But you know what happens when you don't think in English? you will start translating from your mother tongue to English, which is a pretty time consuming thing, which makes your fluency bit loose. I mean, when you talk to people and when you translate from your mother tongue to English, it takes a lot of time to deliver the message, the thoughts which you want to with people. So hence it becomes inevitable to think in English. It doesn't matter if you make mistakes, it is really doesn't matter. And just imagine you're talking to a person in English, and while talking you're taking too much time to reply that person. It feels awkward, right? It does. So it becomes really important to think in English. When you don't think in English, you will really take a lot of time to deliver the message. So start thinking in English. Otherwise, people will start refusing to talk with you. Because I have encountered many people on applications like Ace Fluency, CV. On that application, when I talked to beginners, they often told me that people are not willing to talk to us. People are not willing to talk to me because people are looking for good speakers, and I'm not able to speak properly. Then I talked with these people, and they told me that we translate English from our mother tongue. So then I told it is a time consuming thing. If you translate from your mother tongue to English, then definitely you will take a lot of time to reply. So stop translating, just think in English and deliver the message you want to. Even if you're not able to express, it really doesn't matter, because some or the other way you will express. Even you will express in a wrong way, but you will try to express in English. You will try to deliver your thoughts in English. But what happens here, you are making yourself accustomed to think in English and deliver the message in English. Gradually, if you do this, okay, just imagine, if you do this gradually, you will become habitual to this thing. I mean, thinking in English. Initially you will make mistakes. It is very true, you will make mistakes in the beginning, but as you keep doing this thing again and again, you will start making very little mistakes, and it means you will improve day by day. Just make mistakes, think in English, make mistake, but try to think always in English and try to deliver directly in English. Don't translate at all. Just just try to speak whatever you know, whatever you can speak in English, whatever the words you know, whatever the vocabularies you know, whatever the sentences you can frame. But try to speak naturally. Try to pressurize yourself, because when you pressurize yourself, you will start losing the conversation. You will start taking too much pressure, then you cannot handle this conversation. You feel awkward, you feel embarrassed. So all these obstacles come when you don't think in English directly. So the very simple method is just think in English, speak whatever you can. Don't feel bad, because it's an initial step. You will improve over time. Just speak as much as you can, and that too in thinking in English. That's it. And our fourth step is practice. Now it is a very important step. I will give you a very simple example. So let's start with a simple example. Okay, just imagine you want to learn swimming, and you have watched so many videos related to swimming. You have read so many contents about swimming. Can you really able to swim only by watching how to swim videos, and only by reading how to swim when you get into the water? Can you really swim just by consuming content about swimming? You have to get into the water, then only you can learn swimming, right? Isn't it? So in a similar way, whatever I have told you in this video to do to improve your English, if you don't follow that, you cannot learn English. Everything will be a waste of time. You have to speak, then only you can improve your English. Otherwise, you will have only theoretical knowledge. As I gave you the example of swimming, you are only consuming the content related to how to swim, but you are not getting into the water to learn the swimming. So in a similar way, you are consuming a lot of content about English. You're reading something in English, you're doing a lot of things in English, but you're not speaking. Then everything will be a waste of time. So hence it becomes very, very, very important to practice. So keep practicing. Doesn't matter if you make mistake, doesn't matter if you feel bad, because everything comes over time. Everything takes time. You should have patience. You should have ability to think about the positive things about yourself. Then only you can grow in your in your life. Then only you can do something good in your life. So guys, that's what I wanted to tell in this video. I know you have the capability, you have the ability, you have the potential. You can do this. You got this. You will definitely learn English, and you will definitely improve your English. I can guarantee you, if you follow all the steps, if you practice a lot, then definitely nobody can stop you from becoming a good speaker. I can really guarantee you. So I would like to wrap up here for this video. I will meet you again in the next video. Actually, my hand is aching because I'm holding my mobile. I don't have proper place at home, so hence I always have to come outside to record myself. But still, I'm recording because I want to improve my communication. So in the same way, you should also always strive for your goals to improve your communication. We have to give something to get something. Okay guys, I hope you have understood everything very well. So we'll stop here, we'll wrap up here. I will meet you again in the next video. Bye guys.